नमस्कार, मैं दरक्षा बानो टीजीटी सामाजिक विज्ञान केंद्रीय विद्यालय नंबर 1 कटक भुवनेश्वर संभाग में कार्यरत हूँ। कोविड-19 महामारी के चलते शिक्षा के क्षेत्र पर बहुत ही बुरा प्रभाव पड़ा है। मार्च माह से ही समस्त विद्यालय बंद भी हैं। हालांकि केंद्रीय विद्यालय एक ऐसा संगठन रहा है जिसने शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में हमेशा से अग्रणीय योगदान दिया है। समस्त भारतवर्ष के केंद्रीय विद्यालयों में कार्यरत हमारे शिक्षक शिक्षिकाएं ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं ले रहे हैं। अगर मैं अपने विद्यालय की बात करूं तो हमारे विद्यालय में सभी विषयों के लिए एक समय सारणी तैयार की गई है। ऑनलाइन शिक्षण माध्यम के अंतर्गत गूगल मीट, गूगल क्लासरूम, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप इत्यादि से ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं ले रहे हैं और साथ ही साथ सभी सूचनाएं अभिभावकों और बच्चों तक पहुंचाने के लिए व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और गूगल क्लासरूम का भी सहयोग ले रहे हैं। इसके अलावा छात्रों को पीपीटी, वीडियो, वर्कशीट, पीडीएफ, गूगल शीट के माध्यम से प्रतिदिन की आवश्यक अध्ययन सामग्री पहुंचाने का कार्य हो रहा है। इसके अलावा गूगल फॉर्म से प्रश्न पत्र तैयार करके हम मासिक परीक्षाएं और साथ ही साथ लैट परीक्षाओं का भी आयोजन किया हमने। इसके अलावा दीक्षा पोर्टल, ई पाठशाला, स्वयं प्रभा आदि माध्यमों का भी सहयोग ले रहे हैं।
नमस्कार एवरीवन, आई एम प्रीति, टीजीटी इंग्लिश from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Cuttack, Odisha. School closures and other disruptions to our life during this pandemic COVID-19 have not prevented our students from growing and learning, because online learning has become a savior for all of us in this testing time. We teachers are crafting e-learning for our students to learn at ease through many applications. Like we are conducting regular online classes through Google Meet and many applications as per the timetable allotted. We are also taking assessment and taking learner achievements test through Google Forms. Regular attendance is being monitored and also parent-teacher meetings are being conducted. Throughout this hard time, the support of parents, my learned colleagues, respected principal sir and Sangathan has been with us. We hope that very soon this pandemic COVID-19 will be over and we will be back to our normal life. Till then, we teachers will keep providing e-learning for our students through various digital modes. Stay home, stay safe. Namaskar.
I am special, I am special. Look at me, look at me. A very special person, a very special person. And that is me, and that is me. I am special, I am special. Look at me, look at me. A very special person, a very special person. And that is me, and that is me. I am special, I am special. Look at me, look at me. A very special person, a very special person. And that is me, and that is me. I am special, I am special. Look at me, look at me.
Good morning everyone, myself Sachin Kumar Muduli of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Cuttack and I am studying in class 10. After the final examination in the month of March, there is, due to the pandemic situation that occurred in the whole world, everything was shut down for the benefit of the people. All schools and colleges were closed until the situation normalizes. Therefore, it has a great impact on the study of the student. But after the government has taken a step in introducing online classes to create virtual classroom so that all students can continue with their syllabus without any hindrance. We find it helpful. In my view, it is a very good and necessary step that is taken by the government. It helped the student to cope up with the syllabus very fastly. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं कृतिका जिन्ना, केंद्रीय विद्यालय आस्का में पढ़ने वाली छात्री, आपको कोरोना वायरस या कोविड-19 के ऊपर कुछ सुझाव देने आई हूँ। जैसे आप जानते हैं कि हमारे दुनिया के 200 से भी ज़्यादा देश इस बीमारी से पीड़ित हैं, जिसमें हमारा देश भारत भी ग्रसित है। अगर हमें इससे बचना है तो सबसे ज़रूरी बात, हमें तो अपने घर के अंदर ही रहना है। अगर जाना आवश्यक हो तो अपने पास अपना मास्क, ग्लव्स और सैनिटाइज़र रखें। अगर आपके पास अपने ग्लव्स उपलब्ध ना हो तो आपके पास सैनिटाइज़र रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आप यूज़ एंड थ्रो मास्क या ग्लव्स पहनते हैं तो उसके एक इस्तेमाल बाद ढक्कनदार डिब्बे में फेंक दें। अगर आप किसी सार्वजनिक स्थानों को छूते हैं तो उसके तुरंत बाद आप अपने हाथों में सैनिटाइज़र लगा लें। और अगर आप छींकते हैं या खांसते हैं तो टिश्यू का इस्तेमाल कीजिए। अगर आपके पास टिश्यू उपलब्ध ना हो तो अपने बाजुओं का इस्तेमाल करें। और सबसे ज़रूरी बात, सोशल मीडिया में वायरल होने वाले झूठे खबर या अफवाहों पर विश्वास ना करें। सिर्फ सरकार द्वारा दिए गए दिशा निर्देशों का ही पालन करें। आइए हम हमारी दुनिया को कोरोना मुक्त करें। धन्यवाद।
We worked out number of models. Under the project Origami, we have made different types of wheels. This is one wheel. This is a tangential wheel. This is a wheel prepared with 8 square papers. This is an octagon. And this is also a wheel prepared with different square pieces. And we have prepared 3D models. In the 3D models, we have made a pen stand. We have made a pyramid. We made a star box. This is one more type of pen stand. It is a cuboidal box with a square base, and this is one more type of pyramid. Then we have made a 3D wheels, a 3D wheel, a 3D octagon. This is a cap. Different caps also our children made with the help of paper. This is a crown made with the paper. This is a Christmas tree made with the paper. And these are the different types of wheels. One wheel is not synchronized with the other wheel. Different wheels we have made. There is no end for this process. Now we have prepared electrical gadgets, plug points.
Myself Swaraj Hota. I am a student of class 10th Kendriya Vidyalaya Sector 6 Rautla. Today in this video I want to show you an experiment that how carbon dioxide extinguishes fire. So let's begin. Friends, for this experiment we have first taken a glass of water in which we have taken a candle submerged in it, and we have also taken a matchbox and a Eno packet. Friends, for the sake of knowledge we have to know that this Eno contains sodium carbonate, which once added to water releases CO2, which cuts off the supply of oxygen, which extinguishes the fire. So let's begin. First of all, we have to lit up the candle. Here it goes. Now friends, we can observe that due to the presence of ample amount of oxygen in the surrounding, the candle is glowing properly and smoothly. So now let's add Eno to it and see what happens. See friends, it is not due to water, but due to the cut off of the supply of oxygen due to liberation of CO2 gas, the fire extinguishes. So let's try once more. As we can see here, I have kept the matchstick above the glass, and due to the liberation of CO2, the fire extinguishes. Now friends, let's try a last time. See, here it catches fire again as the liberation of CO2 in the surrounding stops. The amount of oxygen in the surrounding increases, and this supports the fire to glow in a proper rate as it was doing earlier. So friends, this phenomena occur in the case of CO2 fire extinguisher, which helps in extinguishing the fire in case of any burns or any fire catch in any town or any area. So this is really very helpful. So hope you like this experiment, and that's all for this video. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Janveshkar and I am studying in class 5 of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Cuttack. I have participated in ISRO cyberspace competition and I have made this project. This is PSLV, that is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. To make this project, I have collected cardboard, Indian flag, color paper and silver paper. ISRO developed this project to send its IRS. The first PSLV was launched in 20 September 1993. Thank you.
Darshani of class 7th A, respective principal sir, teacher, and my dear brother and sister. When you educate a man, you educate a man only. But when you educate a woman, you educate a generation. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 22nd January of 2015. This campaign was launched to ensure every girl child to get quality education and bringing girl child right into focus and to empower girls in every field. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Atmaja Das. I am showing 2 times table. 1 2 times 2. 2 2 times 4. 3 2 times 6. 4 2 times 8.
कामयाब हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हो मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, होंगे कामयाब।
Father of Swabhiman Tripathi, who is reading in class 11 KV number 1 Cuttack. The commencement of online classes by KV teachers has been a boon to students and has created a schooling atmosphere at home. Despite several online hindrances, the patience of teachers to clear doubt is quite commendable.